story from the age when our ancestors are familiar with made hot blacksmith with anvil and hammer in hundreds of degrees of heat. Into 1950s, the efforts of our grandfathers who rolled up their sleeves with the activities of establishing and operating water mills evolved from the 1960s to the 1990s by manufacturing in different branches of the metal industry. This is why we understand the language of elements and alloys from aluminum to titanium, non-ferrous metals to high-quality steels so well. As InnoMetal, we aim to complete our integrated production campus in the most appropriate time with our ongoing investments, 6,600 square meter of which has been completed and 17,000 square meter of which will be a closed area of our factory. We start manufacturing activities in an area of 34,000 square meter in the Bayshire Organized Industry Zone by going to a different structuring in 2016. Nowadays, we continue our distinguished profession, which has been passed down from generation to generation by synthesizing innovative approach and today's technology, and we continue our mission of being the pioneering mind of production in the region, realized by our partners in different formation with the principle of optimum benefit and keeping up to date. We continue our investments with the vision of being one of the companies with eco-production capacity in our country. 95% of the products we currently produce are in the European market, OEM we offer us. We also produce OEM assembled component products for the leading companies of the domestic construction machinery industry. In our production line, up-to-date CNC machining machines, cutting, bending, specially designed equipment and differing welding processes are used. With the slogan, the quality of the product that cannot be measured cannot be standardized. Besides our various size measuring devices and precision CMM devices in accordance with today's technology in our laboratory, our hardness devices, surface hardness measuring device, ultrasonic flow detection device, material analysis, tensile compression test device, and we have spatial measuring equipment. In our process management, we continue to work with ISO 9001 Quality Management System, ISO 14001 Environmental Management System, ISO 45001 Occupational Health and Safety Management System. All processes are carried out in full compliance with SysMon ERP, the Enterprise Resources Planning software. With our CATIA, CAD, CAM, and PLM software, which are competent in their field, we continue our production processes with full control, aiming to provide all of the energy it consumes from renewable energy with the awareness of respect for nature at every stage of production. Our company uses energy-efficient equipment, and within this framework, it meets all of its current consumption with the solar energy facility that was completed and commissioned in this context. Human labor, one of the most important elements of sustainable production. It is one of the issues that our company gives the most importance to. For this purpose, there are social areas in our campus in order to create a pragmatic working environment for our staff. With the continuous training we provide to our employees, we increase our employees' working awareness, motivation, and sectoral knowledge. In a small workshop, this secret profession, a legacy of our grandfathers, globalized by accessing modern and technological machine tracks from iron pieces that are forged with wrist power. With the awareness of respect and permanent satisfaction, we wish to be able to pass into the next generations. InnoMetal's family.